Welcome to Yanqing Node News, a global AI news roundup. April 9th, 2026. Today's important news includes Project Glasswing fixes open-source vulnerabilities. Jian 5.1 enables 8-hour AI work. Hermeus raises $350 million for hypersonic fighters. Hubble tool studies AI data memorization. AI predicts early heart failure risk. Now, let's start the main text.
1.
Aria Networks raised $125 million in funding to accelerate the development of AI-native networking infrastructure designed specifically for artificial intelligence workloads. The startup's deep networking platform addresses bandwidth and latency bottlenecks by intelligently optimizing communication patterns for major AI chips like those from NVIDIA and Google. Already deployed in production environments, the company aims to help data center operators maximize the value of their existing GPU clusters while reducing operational costs.
2.
Anthropic launched Project Glasswing, a massive coalition including companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google, to utilize the Claude Mythos AI model for automatically identifying and repairing critical software vulnerabilities. The specialized model has already discovered thousands of flaws, including a 27-year-old bug in the OpenBSD kernel, demonstrating capabilities that often surpass human security experts. To prevent malicious misuse of such a powerful tool, Anthropic is restricting access to a closed alliance while providing $100 million in usage credits to bolster open-source security. 3. Zed AI released the open-source GLM 5.1 model, which achieved a milestone by outperforming top closed-source models like GPT 5.4 on the rigorous SWE-bench Pro coding benchmark. A standout feature is its ability to support an 8-hour continuous autonomous workflow, allowing the model to act as a digital employee that handles complex DevOps and engineering tasks independently. While offering significant cost and privacy advantages through local deployment, the model's reasoning-heavy architecture can result in higher latency and token usage during difficult tasks. 4. Indoor mapping startup Mappedin secured $24.5 million in Series B funding to expand its 3D digital infrastructure from individual buildings to entire city-scale networks. Using AI and LiDAR technology, the platform has already mapped over 10 billion square feet globally for major venues like airports and stadiums to optimize navigation and security. The new funding will specifically support the expansion of services for public safety departments, providing first responders with real-time indoor maps during emergencies.
5.
Defense startup Hermeus raised $350 million to develop autonomous hypersonic fighter jets for the U.S. military, reaching a valuation of $1 billion. The company is taking a pragmatic approach by modifying existing Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines for its test aircraft, such as the Quarterhorse Mk 2.1, which recently completed its inaugural flight. This investment reflects growing private sector interest in hypersonic technology as the U.S. government increases budgets to compete with international developments in high-speed flight. 6. Researchers introduced a new AI agent framework that allows autonomous systems to self-improve by rewriting their own skill libraries without retraining the underlying large language model. By treating capabilities as modular, versionable tools, the system can analyze its own failure logs and automatically generate improved versions of specific functions. This approach offers better auditability and safety for enterprise deployments, as individual skills can be reviewed or rolled back according to standard software engineering practices. 7. A research team from the University of Southern California and the Max Planck Institute launched Hubble, an open-source tool designed to study why large models memorize and verbatim reproduce training data. Using massive computing resources from NVIDIA, experiments revealed that information introduced during the final stages of training is most likely to be retained and echoed by the model. The project provides a crucial foundation for developing machine unlearning techniques to help AI developers comply with emerging privacy and copyright regulations.
8.
Scientists at the University of Oxford developed an AI tool capable of predicting the risk of heart failure up to 5 years before a clinical diagnosis by analyzing routine heart CT scans. The algorithm achieved 86% accuracy by detecting subtle pathology signals in the fat surrounding the heart that are invisible to the naked eye. The team is now working to integrate this tool into national healthcare workflows, aiming to prevent thousands of cases through early intervention and more efficient use of existing imaging data.